In this video, I'm going to show you how to open 4 charts in TradingView. Now to do this, you will have to have one of their paid plans. So without it, on a free plan, you won't be able to do this. So just make sure you have a paid subscription. Then you want to go to the top of your chart and you want to click on Layout Setup. Now in here, of course, you can just go and basically go to the number 4 over here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different ways you can have 4 charts on one screen. Now, of course, if you don't have the paid plan, you will click on one of these and it's going to tell you which paid plan you have to get to be able to use this feature. So that's the easiest way to tell. Now I'm going to showcase how these work. The first one is going to be this one, which is like the standard. Each and every single chart is the same size. And of course, you can click on any of these symbols. And of course, you can select what symbol you want to show on that specific chart. The second one is going to be this one, but it's now horizontal, so they're one at the top of another. Here you have this one where they're basically in vertical format. Then you have the next one, which is one big chart, 3 small charts. And you have this one, which is just like flipped around. And of course, you can change these. You can alter them like this. You can just use these kind of borders and you can drag them around like that. It's actually quite convenient. Then you have this one where there's one at the top and then you can see 3 smaller ones at the bottom. Then you have the flipped version of this one as well. And then you have this one over here, which is 2 taller ones. And then you have 2 smaller ones. Again, you have the flipped version of that as well. And then you also have the last one, which is 2 big up top, 2 smaller ones, like thinner ones at the bottom, okay? Again, you can use and double click any edge to reset your layout grid. And yeah, that's how to do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.